Hey, we have a 4-bedroom unit, 2-bathroom. There's no oven here, but you do have a stovetop burner, 4 burners, exhaust, ample cabinets, stainless steel sink. You have to here even. There's another fridge. Especially, so this is one living room. You have the skylight ceiling. This is one of the bedrooms. This can fit a full or a queen. Here's your second living room. You have another full bathroom this way. This can fit a... Look at that sunset. This can also fit a king and a queen. Quiet neighborhood, close to everything you need. Goes subway and train.